Hey, we're Quintessential Design. You can call us Quin. Our mission is essential safety. Quin gives you no-nonsense safety that lets you focus on your ride while knowing that your helmet is smart about your safety. Quin Helmets bring you invisibly integrated Bluetooth 4.0, which means that you have access to phone calls,
Call Bruce Kimball,
music, turn-by-turn maps navigation, and any other app you're used to using on the go. It also provides you with a first-of-its-kind crash detection system that accurately and reliably detects when you've had a crash and lets your emergency contacts know when you need help the most. If you need help on the go, then you can manually trigger an SOS beacon. So Quin has your back at the long press of a button. And all of these features are brought together by the Quin app. Quin brings you essential safety through modernity, design, technology, connectivity, and so much more. The best part about getting all of this technology is that it comes seamlessly integrated into 3 beautifully designed helmet models. We have the Quin McQ, the Spitfire, and the Ghost, which also happens to be the world's lightest weight smart helmet. Unlike so many other early stage projects, we are coming to Kickstarter having already finished all the research and development, completed product tooling, and having created a line of factory units that are now being put to the test by everyone from average roadies to Formula 3 racers. We call these awesome people Quintimen. Quin's manufacturing partner is the world's largest manufacturer of helmets. They make helmets for almost any brand that you can think of. They're professional, reliable, and we are so proud to be working with them to bring you Quin Helmets. We need your help to catalyze the mass production of Quin Helmets to bring them to your part of the world. If you're ready for Quin, then join our mission to bring practical, essential safety solutions. You can back our project and get one of our 3 helmet models as a backer reward, but we appreciate anything that you can do to help spread the word. Thank you for watching our campaign video, and remember to ride safe with Quin, essential safety.